In a small African village lying under the silver expanse of the night sky, there was a young girl named Sadio. From a young age, Sadio dreamed of exploring the stars, fascinated by the mysteries of the universe. Every night, Sadio would gaze at the stars, imagining herself soaring through the vastness of the space. But many in her village laughed at her dreams, saying, "Girls like us don't venture beyond our borders." Despite the doubt of those around her, Sadio remained determined. She spent her days reading books borrowed from the village school and tinkering with old radios and broken gadgets. Sadio's curiosity was insatiable. She learned about science and technology, determined to defy the expectation placed upon her. One night, while everyone else sleeps, Sadio walks tirelessly on a makeshift rocket using spare parts she has collected over the years. Finally, the day of the village annual festival arrives. Amidst the celebration, Sadio unveils her creation, a small homemade rocket. The villagers gathered around, skeptical yet intrigued. With a deep breath, Sadio ignites the rocket's engines and watches as it soars into the sky, leaving behind a trail of sparks. As the rocket disappears into the unknown, Sadio's spirit soars with it. For she has shown that no dream is too big, no obstacle too great, and that with determination and perseverance, anything is possible, even reaching for the stars. Sadio's village now abuzz with a newfound hope and inspiring dreamers everywhere as Sadio's rockets strike across the night sky, a symbol of endless possibility.